Alright, I've done a video on this before, replaced the fuel injectors, and didn't really seem to completely solve my problem, although it did help a little. It's a little better. But it finally threw a code, and it hadn't thrown a code before, and it threw a misfire code in cylinder number 1. Now I've replaced a coil pack before on this, just one though. So this time I'm going to throw parts at it. Through Deutsche Auto Parts I bought a full set of red top Bosch Audi VW coil packs. So I'm just going to film this real quick. It's not a hard job, and hopefully we don't break any connectors or anything, because I didn't get any spare connectors. So let's go. Okay, here's our 5 coil packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And notice this one's a little different color. This is the one I replaced, and that is cylinder 1. So I may still be having a problem with that. Or the cheap Chinese one I used is not any good, although it seems to be looser than the others, which is interesting. But it is all the way down. Anyway, I'm going to replace them. Let me get you a close-up view of what I'm doing here. Okay, you can see this little tab here. All you do is pull that back a little bit, you'll hear it unsnap, and then wiggle it off. Comes right off just like that. For the rest of them, you'll have to kind of pull this wiring harness piece off, like so. That'll loosen up your wire behind there. You can pull it up a little bit, and we can pull those off. Might need a little screwdriver action. Might help a little. And you see that connector's broken. As tight as these things are, I'm not really worried about that right now. Okay, it's off. Now we can pull them out. Yeah, pull them out. That's one. I should say I also replaced the spark plugs when I did this. Again, fairly recently. Okay, that's the plan. Let's pull them all out. I got some oil on the top end here. I'm a little concerned about that. I know that these things are notorious for head gaskets. It could just be that I've spilled that. We'll wipe it down and check it later. I don't see any oil down in the spark plug holes. They all look fine. I don't really see any oil on the back pan. Okay, let's get the new pieces in. I'm going to put just a little bit of dielectric grease down in here. Not a whole lot. That'll push down onto the connector. They really only go one way. Part of the reason I ended up buying these is because I had seen them. They were about $30 or $40 a piece. They're probably a lot more than that if you get them from Volkswagen. But DAP had them for $107 for the whole set of 5, which I thought was pretty decent. They're supposed to be a little bit higher quality than the stock ones. Maybe a little hotter, I don't know. That's all anecdotal evidence. Doesn't mean much to me. They look nice. Now these only go one way. You've got a slot that you gotta hit on. Like I said before, I did change spark plugs less than 3 or 4 months ago, so if you're doing this, you have to change spark plugs. If you haven't recently. Back on until it snap. As you're doing it, put your wiring harness back down in, put the little caps on. Obviously this one's not going to snap. It really can't go anywhere though. Obviously it was hard to get off when I took it off, so even though it was already broken. So not a big deal. If it bothers you, you can replace it. They're available. All down, all snapped together. Wiring harness is back in its spot. That's it. That's the whole repair. Put it back together. Okay, let's take it for a drive. Well, let's see. You know, I probably didn't explain very well exactly what it was doing the last time. But basically, any gear about 2,500 RPM, if the engine got bogged down at all, it would start acting like it was misfiring. And it would start hopping around, the engine would start clunking. Like it was having a misfire. But it was weird. It's very it doesn't happen all the time. Can't think of the word right now. On 5th, I'm down to like about 30 right now. Pulled away at about 25. Still in 5th. And it did not do it. So maybe I owe a big thanks to Deutsche Auto Parts. At any rate, we'll have to see what happens here. Have to drive it for a few days to see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this takes care of it. Comment below. I really should put my GoPro in here and do this. Comment below if you have any comments, and thanks for watching.